Guys, it is me, FalcomerG, and I'm sure that what you're looking at now is a pretty similar window, and that is because we are back in the Java programming series. And in this episode, basically what we are going to do is create a variable. Now, before we begin, I'd just like to explain what a variable is. And a variable is a useful container in which a value may be stored for a subsequent use by the program. The stored value may be changed, as in the first part of the name, variable, as the program executes the instructions, as in, once again, just hence the term, variable. Okay, anyway, so what we want to do to create starting variables, we don't want to write in the same class. You want to right click on YouTube and say new class, and once again you can name whatever you like. I'm going for first variable and finish. So we've got that now, and I'm going to just do this just to make it easier to do the spacing. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to type in the main command or main line of code like I did in the last episode. So public static void main string args, and yeah, in the last episode I went over what this is, so I'm not going to do it in this episode, so sorry about that. But yeah, so now I'm just going to write a line of code to create, initialize, and output a variable. So these 4 lines, I think it is, of code is string message equals and then a message. So this is a initial value or anything really. So just to go over what this does, this has just opened a small window for me to program in. As you can see, there's still these two to start and finish it, but this is just a simple message. Like, it's one of the simplest lines you can use to enter a message. So yeah, the next one is make it in line with the S and type in system dot out dot print ln, like last episode, and this time in here you want to type in message without any inverted commas. Now what this means is that what it's going to print out is going to come from the line which starts with message. So it'll be something like this line, only it's not a string message. So we want to type, next thing we want to do is we want to press enter and type in message. Now keep in mind, if you said message there, you want to say message there, but I'm going for small m, but whatever you type in here has to match that one and that one. So then message space equals, and then the inverted commas again, and then in the inverted commas you want to type your message. So this was ran from a different location. That will be my message. And then finally you basically just want to repeat this line of code. So I'll just copy that and paste it here. I need to go the whole way back. So now that I've got these 4 lines, I was right. I will go and compile it like we did in the last episode. But yeah, so we know what this does, and this is the same as that. We know what this is, and we know what that is. So yeah, I feel like everything's been covered nicely here. So I will save this and then navigate to my workspace. So Finder, Documents, Workspace, interface, another thing I'm working on. Gotta leave it there so I can type in cd space, drag in my YouTube folder, hit enter, and then type in Java C for Java compile, and then in your source folder you want to drag in first variable .java, hit enter, and you'll see that I've got a few errors, and these are actually very simple to fix. I just forgot to add, where is it, Java, this is an initial value. I forgot to add a semicolon there and a semicolon there to basically symbolize it as closed. So now we save that and can close it now, and then type in Java C space, drag in first variable and hit enter. And now it's picked up another error, and it's actually a fairly useless error. I just forgot to capitalize a letter, and as you can see now that capitalization does matter in Java. Let's try this again. So Java C, first variable. Okay, come on, third time's the charm. Oof, and we have it now in the class file. So now we're gonna change that directory to the source file, and then I don't know why I double clicked it. Drag in the source file there, and then basically run it. So Java space first variable, then hit enter, and now you will see here that we've got the 2 messages that we have set in the in Eclipse basically. So yeah, that is it for this episode, and we got a little extra treat in it as well. We got to see what it looks like when we make a mistake. Okay, so yeah guys, thanks for watching. Remember, if you want to see more of this series, leave a like, and if you want to be notified every time I upload one, hit that subscribe button. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.